Welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off safety settings on TikTok. So if you go to our TikTok app and if you go to these three dots in the right corner from the top of the page, and if we go to privacy, here we have this safety settings. So our downloads are off, no one can comment on your videos, no one can duet stitch and direct messages. So I will show you how to change this. You will now be able to get comments on your videos, people to duet stitch and direct messages with everyone. So let's go ahead and do that. So for that we have to go back and then click on manage account, and we will have to switch to a pro account. So here you have to select creator, because if you click on business, you will not get those settings. So click on creator and next. Then click, you have to choose your category. I will choose IT high tech. Click next. Then here you have to select your gender. And now you have a creator account. You can click on explore analytics, or you cannot. Let's go back. And then if you go to privacy, and then if we go to safety, we can now click on downloads and turn this on. And then if we go to comments, we can set this on everyone. So now everyone can comment on your videos. And then we can go back and go to following list. You can set this for everyone, so everyone can see your following list, people that you are following. Do at the same, you can set it for everyone or your friends that are following you back. Go to stitch, set it to everyone, and so on. And now it's up to you if you want people to know what videos you like. So you can set this to everyone or for only me. I will set it for everyone. And then click to direct messages and set it for friends. So guys, if you're still not able to receive any comments on your videos for some reason, then you have to go back and click to report a problem, and then go to follow likes and comments, and then click on comment, and then click on changing comment settings, and then click on no, our problem is not solved, and then click on need more help. And here you have to say hello TikTok team, I can't receive comments on my TikToks. Please solve this problem for me. Thank you. And then click report. And after that, you will receive a response in less than 2 days. You will receive it in half an hour, or a day. I don't know, it's up to them. And they will solve your problem for you. And then you can receive comments on your TikTok videos. Or if you have problems with either of these, you can go again to report a problem and say hello TikTok team, I cannot set to everyone the duet, I cannot set to everyone the stitch, I cannot send direct messages and all of that. You just have to go to report a problem and let them know that you have this problem, and they will solve it for you in less than 2 days. So that's it guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, you can smash that like button, and you can also subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.